It's amazing, I'm the reason everybody fired up this evening. I'm exhausted, barely breathing, holding on to what I believe in.
Hey, Shay Coppola, you made this?
You'll never take that from me. My reign is as far as your eyes can see. It's amazing.
First of all, for the pussy ass nigga hating on me. Go ball hard, but drop like 30, make her shake it on me. I know this little bitch on my lead, but she gon' wait on me. Sound like she Pluto, this bitch smart, yeah, she can see the future. You broke it, fuck, you on your dick, get up, the fuck you doing? These hoes ain't shit, the money, what you really should pursuing? You need a badge to hit Tony, YB know how to do it. My brother crazy, ask no questions, he just up and shoot it. They say when you fly, you ain't gotta cry, but even birds cry. You can't see the vision, I can peek that through my third eye. Hop out with that blicky, then get skinny, shoot it with precision. Fuck with me, lil' bro, go do that to you, that's just how you living. Linkin' with a art bitch, you heard blickin' saying like Bobby Whitney. Same night I take that same bitch, put dick all in the kidney. Been a curve, I cannot kiss the curve, it's not a cup, I miss it. Free little bitch, better fuck, I give a dick, she miss it. On the grind, on the lawn, by myself. These niggas flagging, on the plate, go call the ref. That pussy wet like fuck a condom, I hit a bell. I put my trust in me, don't need nobody else. They weren't with me when I was at the bottom. She look like Lotto, falling for me like this shit is autumn. Lil' bro gon' hop up out that scat and twerk that fully auto. No matter what the fuck you do, get money, they gon' follow. They say when you fly, you ain't gotta cry, but even birds cry. You can't see the vision, I can peek that through my third eye. Hop out with that blicky, then get skinny, shoot it with precision. Fuck with me, lil' bro, go do that to you, that's just how you living. It's so crazy how these niggas dick riding other niggas. It's amazing how these bitches getting lit when they off liquor. Shout out to that one shit, take one call, I go and get her. And shout out to Lil Tweet, it's 2026, I'm going bigger. Rolling on my wrist, it's rose gold, got chocolate face. Then for them times where I ain't really know where I could stay. And I ain't never give a fuck what another nigga think. Cause I'm the type of little nigga that's gon' take it to the bank. Broke nigga ain't got no money or no rent. You better ask by tweeting, he ain't thinking, he just crank. Now I'm playing Lil Tweet, know how to use his brain. I just want the motherfucking money, keep the fame.